How to fix Apple Music library not syncing. Hello guys, this is Atticus from App Hacks and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix Apple Music library not syncing. So let's get started. First, open up your settings app. After you open your app, if you are upgraded to the latest iOS 18, scroll down all the way and you will see the apps option. If you are not upgraded to the latest iOS and are in the lower version, you will find the music option right around somewhere here. But since I'm on iOS 18, I'll just go to the apps section. Now here you'll need to find music option right here. So just navigate to music. Now after you're here, scroll down. Now scroll down till you find Apple Music Library. You will see the option that says Sync Apple Music Library. If you see that, just toggle that button on and you will be able to sync your Apple Music Library. And it's that simple. But if you don't see it, what you'll need to do is you'll need to contact your Apple support and ask them for help. Now, if that does not fix your problem, what you can do is, go before going to the advanced steps, you'll need to just back up your phone just in case. So keep that in mind, and this is basically it. So that is all for this video guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos. Bye bye.